Very cool. Awesome. So one of the questions that, are you still going with the third? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Just out of curiosity, so somebody brings you an opportunity. Now, what do you do besides that checklist? And this is probably on the checklist. What do you do for your due diligence to know that's a good house? I mean, you're probably pulling comps. Are you driving it? How do you know what the repairs are for in your opinion?
Great question. So I've benefited from doing so many myself that I have a pretty good idea, even just by looking at the pictures and knowing the square footage in the area of what I think that rehab's going to be.
Got it.
And so I'll go inspect the property. If the borrower's telling me, hey, this is 40, and I look at it and it looks like 40 to me, bam, we're on the same page there.
Got it.
If he's telling me it's a 10,000, but it's like a 60 in my head, I'm like, well, I may battle him on that a little bit, or I'll just adjust the amount that we're going to fund to protect us. Right. And so, but that's it. And then if I don't know the borrower, then I'll do some due diligence on them. Usually just a simple conversation like we're having will tell me a lot, right? Like just simple questions like, what are you going to do to this house, right?
Right.
If I know it's like a total gut job and they're saying, well, we're just going to put new carpet in, I'll be like,
paint carpet.
Okay, let's see a little bit more if you're capable of doing this. So due diligence on the borrower, due diligence on the home itself, and then just in general, due diligence on the market at that time.
Sure.
Right? So it goes back to pulling comps on the neighborhood.
Yep.
Seeing like if maybe they're buying a house where there's nothing is sold in the neighborhood in the last 6 months.
Yeah.
Like we're probably not going to do that loan.
Right.
But, and this market's been good lately. Let's say they're buying a house where there is no house is active.
Yeah.
Every house that goes up for sale sells immediately.
Right.
Then that seems like a pretty good risk for both of us.
Right.
So the house, the neighborhood, the market, the borrower, those are the things that we're worried about. Because at the end of the day, we want a successful outcome for everybody.
Yes.
I want to do multiple loans with this borrower, right? And so we want to make sure everybody's thinking through and going to have a successful experience so that we can do it all again.
Exactly. Repeat clients is a good thing for you.
Very good thing for all of us.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly.
So
you want them to be successful because then they come back and you get to loan more money and make more money.
Yeah, exactly. I always tell people I'd rather do like 20 loans with the guy than just one, because you'll have some lenders that maybe are loan to own.
Yeah.
Where it's like, Yoshi, that's a really good deal. I'll give you a loan.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a 1 month term.
Right.
And you're like, okay, cool. Yeah. It's like you got to set it up so it's realistic for the borrower to succeed.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what are you doing, right?
Exactly.
Like, you're going to have to just do brain damage trying to find new borrowers every day.
Oh yeah.
To maybe take advantage of them, right? Instead of setting everybody up to win.
Exactly. Okay, very cool.